This is my wife's car, the 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. I'm doing a quick change on the wiper blades. So here is the current one. Leaving some water, so that's why we're changing it out. Alright, so let's see the streak. Alright, so turn off the car. Alright, so for the wiper blades, I'm going to change them out with Rain X Latitude water repellency, 24-inch for the driver's side and 21-inch for the passenger. So I disassembled them. So come to here, pull off the clip. If you can't get it with your hands, use a flathead screwdriver. So they slide off very easily, just like that. Alright, so as you can see, I was basically using the Rain X Latitude last time as well for my wife's car. So same installation, just pry on the clip. It's a lot easier when it's not on the hook. So it should slide right on. Just put it from base to base. Slide up, pull up on it, and drag it down, so it doesn't pop out of place. So now just push it until you hear it click. Oh, pushing it back. There. So after you've done that, you install the passenger, but make sure, as it says here, remove protective cover before use. So don't leave that on. So we're going to pull it right off, pull it back down, and now we're going to take the driver's side. Right here, I've got my screwdriver. So I'm just going to insert the screwdriver in the clip right away, gently pop it out. Bring it over, just slide it right off. Okay, so now with the new wiper, just pop off the clip again. Just insert it. Pull. Set it down. Okay, so now that you got that in position, push it going that way, pull the clip back, and clip it, and then last but not least, you just want to bring it back up and pull that yellow protective piece. There you go. And now to test it, set the wiper back down. Start the car up. All right. No more streaking on the windshield. Alright, well, that's all there is to changing the wipers with the Rain X Latitude's water repellency.